Every year, hundreds of phones are born. But once in a while, one changes the rules entirely. Meet the Nubia Z90 Ultra, built from aerospace-grade titanium. Engineered to be unmistakable, you recognize it the moment you see it. That iconic camera block isn't just design, it's a statement. A 6.85-inch 1.5K OLED display. 144 Hz up to 2000 nits of peak brightness. Your content completely unleashed, no hole punch, no notch. A true full-screen experience powered by 5th Gen under-display camera technology. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen chipset, the fastest mobile silicon on the planet. Up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Lag doesn't live here, the main camera. A 50-megapixel, 1.3-inch sensor with a 35mm lens and f1.5 aperture. This phone shoots like a DSLR, triple camera system, every focal length covered. From vast landscapes to crisp close-ups of zero compromise. Night mode that sees what your eyes can't, the Z90 Ultra turns darkness into art. A massive 7,200 mAh battery. One charge, one full day. No anxiety, no excuses. And when you do plug in, ultra-fast wired charging gets you back to 80% before your coffee goes cold. IP68 and IP69 rated. Rain, splashes, full submersion, the Z90 Ultra doesn't flinch. Android 17 with Nubia's Nebula AI OS. Smart, fast, and deeply personal. It learns how you live. And for those who want more, the optional Pro Photography Kit turns the Z90 Ultra into a full creative studio. Phantom Black, Condensed Light White, and the iconic Starry Night Collector's Edition. Choose your identity. This isn't a phone for everyone. It's a phone for those who refuse to settle, for those who demand the absolute best. The Nubia Z90 Ultra, born different. Drop a comment, are you ready for this beast? Subscribe for the full review.